Hi, I'm back. Or am I? Honestly, I'm so sorry guys. It's been a really long time since I made a video where I talk to the camera, just share my thoughts, tips and tricks about how to get into tech as a software engineer. You'll notice that my past few videos, it's been really focused on the code, and how to get better as a front-end engineer. Even before that, I was working on my portfolio course, and beyond just talking about code, I really wanted to focus on how to actually do it, right? You have to build a portfolio, you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to get ready for the interviews. But it also came at a cost where I can't make videos like this. It's been a little tough for me, not gonna lie. And one thing that I actually don't enjoy about YouTube, and I'm sure a lot of other YouTube content creators can relate to this, is that I hate editing videos. It's just so not fun for me. I love talking to people. If you've been following all my other social medias, probably noticed that I've just been way more active on Twitter. Somehow your boy has been able to go from a couple hundred followers on Twitter to now almost 7,000. I have no idea why, but definitely been leveraging Twitter a little bit more, talking to tech people on there, but it came at a cost to my YouTube community. And I love my YouTube community. You guys are the best thing that ever happened to me, because if you guys didn't show support for my videos, then I probably wouldn't be making any more. Unfortunately, I do again hate editing videos, and trying to edit a video that only gets a couple hundred views is just very taxing on the body. And sometimes I wonder, does this really help people? So to compromise, I am trying to figure out what is the best direction for my YouTube channel. Like, what content do you guys want to see? I still want to do these front-end eval questions for you guys, because ultimately you guys want to get into tech, right? You guys want to get a job, right? And if I don't provide you those kinds of resources, then what am I really doing with my channel? Am I showing you this crazy fun B-roll? Am I showing you this day in the life of a software engineer? Does that really help you become a software engineer? No, it doesn't. So even if it's boring as hell, I'm sorry, that is the stuff that's gonna get you the job. So I'm still gonna make those kinds of videos. Instead of just coding videos, I do wanna switch it up a little bit. I am thinking about creating a podcast style content on top of the coding videos, because this is going to be something a little bit different than what I did before with the sharing developer stories. I'm going to call it Outside the Code. And the reason for this title is that I want to have guests on my channel where I could talk to them about not just their coding life, but what is their journey into software development, and maybe dig deep into what got them successful. And if those kinds of videos definitely resonate with you, I never really ask you to do this, but please, if you can, just like the video, leave a comment, because that's what encourages me to keep going and going. What I really enjoyed about just doing the Twitter and the Twitter spaces that I hope that I could bring over to my YouTube community is the appreciation. And I'm not saying that you guys aren't appreciative. I love you guys so much. And even the YouTube lives I've done, you guys have always been super supportive. But if you share my videos, if you share the content, that's what gives me the positive feedback to push forward. But ultimately, the podcast idea is not finalized in stone. I still am thinking about how do I best manage my own time, because work full-time, coaching one-on-one, doing the Twitter spaces, helping front-end eval. Your boy is kind of doing a lot right now, and I'm just trying to figure out how can I serve everyone in my YouTube community as well as everyone else. It's a struggle that I've been pondering about. I want to be more health conscious with myself, because I definitely just don't want to burn out in 2022. So if you resonate with this podcast idea where I just bring in people, interview them, ask them about their tech journey, but also just really dig about who these individuals are outside the code, please let me know in the comments. I really would love to know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. Otherwise, this is a little small announcements. I haven't forgotten about everyone here. You know how active I try to be in the Discord. So overall, this community is what keeps me going. I'm gonna keep trying to pump out those coding videos, but on top of that, I'm trying to look for more ideas to kind of help you in your developer journey. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for an episode of Outside the Code. Let's see what we're going to build in 2022. All right, everyone, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.